Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. And today's vlog, it might be a little bit shorter than most of my videos, just because I didn't get so much inventory today, but I still do have a lot of orders to make. But for example, I just kind of got like one box right here, and like this one right here. That's pretty much the only new inventory I got today. But I still have a lot of unfinished inventory that need to fold from yesterday that I got, so I'm gonna show you guys real quick. I need to fold a lot of this up. I got some packaging there and some shipping labels in there that I'm gonna have to open up. But yeah guys, so next thing I'm gonna do is just start folding this box and the old inventory from yesterday that I didn't finish up yesterday. And yeah, so after that I'm gonna get on the Heatpress and do some more orders, and of course take you guys to the post office with me as I drop them off. And yeah, that's pretty much all. And I'm gonna order more inventory later, so I hope to show you guys that as well. But yeah guys, so let's get started.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient,